Hello friends, welcome to the second episode of Demystifying Basal. It is a series started by me, and in the first episode I have explained about what is basal implant, how it is different from other implant systems, and is it safe to practice basal implant at our clinic. In this episode I'll be explaining about advantages of basal implants. Before starting that, I should introduce myself. I am Dr. Kapil Kalra, practicing implant dentistry from last 12 years in Gurugram. So guys, now I'll be talking about what are different advantages of doing this system, and according to me it's a boon for patient as well as for the doctor. So guys, first and foremost advantage of doing basal implant system is it is immediate functional loading implant system. Patient can start chewing food within 2, 3, 4 days, as it takes time to do surgery and then the prosthetic work. After that, patient can immediately start chewing. There is no gradual loading or no just an immediate implant placement. It's an immediate implant placement with immediate functional loading, so that patient can start chewing food within 3 to 5 days of duration. So it's the biggest advantage for the patient as well as for the doctors and patient. Those who are suffering from long, now within 3 to 5 days or maximum a week, they can start having their food with the help of this implant. Guys, second major advantage of this implant system is that we can do almost all types of cases with this implant system. Mainly the cases which are rejected because of unavailability of bone, or the cases which have compromised situations, or where alveolar bone is completely either it has been missing, or during any procedure we have removed that bone, like mainly in cases of cyst. While we are removing the cyst, then all that part remains empty. So these cases can also be attempted with this implant system because of different types of design available. I have talked about these implant designs in my previous video. If you want to know, then you can visit that. I'll be putting link in description box. So the other main advantage is all the rejected cases as well as the cases which can be done with other implant system can also be done with this implant system. So maximum cases can be attempted. So I would like to say it is one of the big advantage that you don't need to keep different types of system for doing different types of cases. Another big advantage of this implant system is because of the sleek design. These implants can be placed in almost all the cases completely flapless, and 60% of less bone substance is being removed in osteotomies, and bone integrity and perfusion is barely affected. So because of that, the post-operative discomfort, edema, swelling, all that things are minimized. So on the second day of surgery, most of the times the patient is completely fine and not complaining of any such discomfort, because we have disturbed bone or traumatized bone to the minimum. So that is another big advantage for clinician as well as for the patients. The other big advantage is in most of the procedures we can avoid bone grafting. Suppose there is pneumatized sinus in maxilla, or there is bone loss in the posterior region in mandible. In such cases, we can easily do in maxilla, we can do pterygoid implant placement, so we can bypass the sinus easily, and in mandible we can do nerve bypass, and easily we can rehabilitate patient without any big grafting or sinus lift kind of procedures. So it's a big edge over other implant system which I feel has helped me converting lots of patient, and patient also feels that without these cumbersome procedures he will be able to get teeth and he will be able to start chewing soon. So that is another advantage which increases the conversion ratio in the clinic as well. So guys, I have discussed few advantages of this implant system. I'll be explaining few more in the next video. Thank you so much for the time given by you. And if you are interested in knowing about another few advantages of this implant system, there are multiple. So to keep this video a short video, so I have tried to put few advantages in this, and other I will be explaining in the next video. So see you in the next video. I will be putting the link of next video as well in the description box. If you wish to see, you can click on that. Till then, Dr. Kapil Kalra signing off. Bye bye.